Hi there, welcome to today's video, and in a change from badges I'm going to be making some little tree ornaments today. I guess you could make them into badges if you really wanted to, but yeah, I'm going to be sticking with tree ornaments today, so let's go and crack on. So I'm going to be making 2 Christmas ornaments today, and they're really easy. So this is one for people of all levels. So I'm going to start with a basic Christmas gift, and you could actually make this into a badge if you wanted to. You just need to ensure that it's large enough to carry a fastening on the back, but I'm just making an ornament for today. So I'm making a square shape, and for the ribbon I'm using some red clay, and I'm going to make some thin strips like so, just with my blade cutting tool. And I'll just pop a band over the green square like so. Have to try and make sure that it's fairly neat and symmetrical, and just cut off the ends here with either a blade cutting tool or a scalpel would do. And just create 2 more pieces to give the illusion that it's going under the top piece. And again, just cut those off like so. And I'm going to make a bow for the top of the gift. So I'm using my needle tool here to create some just basic detail on there. And that attaches to the top of the gift like so. And I've just got a very basic kind of square shape here that's slightly curved, just to go over the triangles, just to give the illusion of a bow. And I'm going to make some little snowflake details on my wrapping paper, but you can make whatever pattern you like here, so get as creative as you like, but this is just really easy. So there we go, that's our first ornament done. And I'm moving on now to a Christmas Santa boot. And again, it's a really easy one. So I'm just taking off some edges like so. And I'll need my scalpel tool here, just to go a bit freehand really on the front of the boots. And I'll just take out a little triangle section to give the illusion of a heel. So there we go, how easy was that? So I'm just going to pop that on some greaseproof paper, because it allows you to move your ornament around or your piece around without damaging the edges. And I'm using some white clay now for the top of the boot to make it nice and woolly. And for some nice textured detail, I've got my medium-sized ball tool here, and I just need to tap that down repeatedly to create a nice woolly effect. And then that just attaches to the top of the boots like so, and press down quite firmly. So to make our boots look a little more festive, I'm going to make some holly. So I'm using my little leaf cookie cutter tool here, and with my little club tool I'm going to cut out some teeny tiny semicircles, because I don't think there's such a thing as a circular tool that's this small really, so you kind of just have to use what you've got around. But I guess you could use a scalpel if you've not got anything suitable. So it's just a case of going around the leaf like so, cutting out semicircles as you go. And that creates quite an effective little holly leaf really. And if you go wrong, it's just a case of starting again. So I've got 2 holly leaves now, and they're going to adorn my little boot like so. And that really pops against the red. And some little holly berries just finishes that off nicely. And if you wanted to, you can add some detail with a needle tool. So I think that's worked out really well. And to ensure that you can attach some string or ribbon to your ornaments, it's just a case of popping a hole through. So I'm just going to start the hole with a needle tool and finish it off with a ball tool, just so it's slightly larger. Just trying to keep it as neat as possible, really. And again, onto my gift. Just pop my needle tool through. And my ball tool to ensure that it's large enough for a piece of string to go through. So now they're all done, they're ready to bake, and at this point you'll need to refer to your own brand of polymer clay's baking instructions. So now they're baked and cooled, it might be nice to add some gloss to your little ornaments so they catch the light when they're on the tree. So it's just a case of picking up on whichever elements you fancy. So I'm going to gloss just the ribbon on my gift. And I'm going to gloss Santa's boot because, you know, why not? So there they are, all done and ready to adorn your Christmas tree. Thanks very much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.